Hi, I'm Dr. Ginger. I've been a practicing dentist for, 35 years now. And over that time, what I've noticed is something very interesting. And we read about it more and more. There's a direct correlation, a direct tie-in between a person's oral condition and their overall health. Now, you read about it, but in my practice, because we take care of a group of people, sometimes, I've had the same clients for many years, sometimes they're over 30 years. You notice that people that really pay attention to their oral condition, keep things in tip-top shape, have less health problems. So a great example would be my own dad, who, of course, I cared for many years. He never really could get his oral condition in great shape. He always had chronic gingivitis. In fact, we cleaned his teeth every 2 months, but yet bleeding and plaque and all the bacteria existed. And he wound up having just about everything, every heart ailment on the list. You name it, he had it. So I've seen this so much over the years, but gosh, the question is, how do you get people to do what they're really supposed to do, right? Because humans are, we are what we are. We have habits, we know what we should be doing, but we don't want to put the time in. So along these lines, a couple of years ago, I noticed that people started coming in and telling me, hey, I'm doing this oil pulling thing. And frankly, in the beginning, I'd never heard of it. And they'd say, hey, what do you think? How do my gums look? So when I started to do a little investigation, because at first my science brain said, wow, how could that really make a difference? Well, when I looked into it, there are actual clinical studies that show using coconut oil, the straight coconut oil, and swishing it has an impact on reducing bacteria in the mouth. However, the recommendation is a 15-minute process. Now, I will tell you as a dentist, if I cannot get people to spend a minute flossing, I'm pretty sure it's going to be a pretty small band that are going to spend the 15 minutes. So this is what generated and started my idea of creating a product line. Because when I looked into the market, there were no products specifically taking the power of oil pulling, but yet turning into a nice, easy to use product. So that was really the start.